Hey everybody, I'm Brian Pods and welcome back to Ask TFT. Today's question is this. One of the sales reps that did a Blitzfire demo for our department told us that the Blitzfire does not need to be attended during operation. Are you saying we need fewer firefighters on the fireground? No. An unassisted monitor does not mean you need fewer firefighters. What it does mean is that you're capable to set the monitor up for defensive or offensive tactics without constant supervision. Leave that monitor working in place while you can execute other critical fireground operations depending on the job you're working. That could be heading to the roof, making a push with the interior crew, or any other assignment from Incident Command. Thanks for your question today and keep them rolling in at tft.com/contact.